How to connect Google Maps to car Bluetooth. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can connect Google Maps to car Bluetooth. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to pair your phone with the car's Bluetooth. So for that, you have to turn on Bluetooth on your phone and on your car as well. So on your phone, you have to go to the Bluetooth settings. Here you have to select your car's Bluetooth name and pair it. And also make sure that your car's audio system is set to Bluetooth mode. So once you have connected or paired your mobile device with your car's Bluetooth, now you have to open up Google Maps in your device. Now head over to your profile icon at the top right, and here tap on Settings. Scroll down a bit and head towards the navigation or tap on Navigation. And under mute state, make sure that you have selected unmuted, and under Guardians volume you can select the louder. And there you have more option to choose from, where you can play voice over Bluetooth, play voice during phone calls, etc. So make sure to turn on that as well. Now you can start your destination in Google Maps. You can simply tap on Start for direction, and Google Maps voice navigation will now play to your car's speakers via Bluetooth. And that's how you can connect Google Maps to Bluetooth. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.